Hi, my name is Venky Nagapudi. I head up product management and solutions for Vexata. There are a number of use cases that Vexata and KX are addressing together. Some of them have to do with the financial transactions and electronic trading platforms. Others have to do with the newly emerging workloads such as IoT. And I'll touch upon both of these use cases. In one use case, one of our end customers is using KX for running real-time analytics over their stock ticker trades. So essentially what they've created is a cloud platform that would feature their proprietary software running on top of KX KDB+, talking to the Vexata array. The idea here is that they want to be able to provide data as a service to multiple clients of theirs. So the important features that are critical for them are performance, because you have multiple clients talking to a single shared storage, and it needs to be able to cater to the performance needs of all of these clients. Second thing that they want is enterprise class reliability. They don't want the array to go down or the entire solution to go down for any reason whatsoever. So they focus on that. And the third thing that is very interesting to many of them is the encryption capabilities that we have inside our array. So increasingly, financial data needs to be protected, and the ability to provide data at rest encryption is very critical to the success of any storage that gets used for financial transactions. So the POC and this deployment will essentially also test out the encryption capabilities of our box, in addition to the performance and the mission critical nature of what we bring to the table. So we are seeing a lot of interest from a number of customers, and many of them are launching proof of concepts that will use this design on the financial side of things. But increasingly, we're also seeing platforms such as IoT becoming very important for KX deployments. So what I mean by that is KX essentially can be used as a repository for historical data that's collected recently, while streaming data comes in and gets analyzed along with the historical data in order to get to real-time analytics at scale. So what we see in the IoT sort of workloads is that the amount of data that gets collected and analyzed is not very huge. It's in the order of, let's say, 10 to 20 terabytes. But the kind of performance that is needed, for example, for ingesting the data, is in the order of 20 to 25 gigabytes per second. And this is not something that the current all-flash arrays are ever able to be able to offer, because they can only do about maybe 1 to 2 gigabytes per second in terms of writes. But Vexata is very different. We have 10 times higher performance on the writes compared to the traditional all-flash arrays, and we're able to ingest data extremely fast. At the same time, we're able to read out the data and analyze data 5 to 10 times faster than the existing all-flash arrays. So this potent combination of the ability to ingest at extreme rates as well as the ability to analyze data extremely fast makes us very, very useful for IoT use cases that use KX as the database. In summary, KX KDB+ gets used in financials, in IoT, oil and natural gas, and a number of important verticals that need real-time analytics. What Vexata brings to the table for KX and KX's customers is the ability to provide high-performance, mission-critical, scalable storage solutions that bring the best out of both KX and Vexata.